I'm Roy Meals. I'm an orthopedic hand surgeon. One of the common conditions I take care of is carpal tunnel syndrome. And that's where the nerve gets pinched as it goes through a narrow tunnel at the wrist and then causes numbness and tingling in the fingers. The patient often notices this at night, and I think one of the reasons this is that we tend to curl up and sleep with our wrists in a bent position, and that pinches the nerve, and then the patient wakes up and has to shake their hand to reestablish the circulation in the nerve and get rid of the numbness and tingling. One of the standard treatments for many years is to wear a brace on the wrist at night to keep it from going into the bent position once the patient goes to sleep. And you can get these in the drugstore, and they serve the purpose, but you have to either choose a left one or a right one, or choose a small, medium, or large. The other problems with it is that the fabric here in the palm tends to get soiled. It's hard for the patient to wash their hand thoroughly with the brace on. The fabric here in the first web tends to cut in and irritate people, and the metal right here on the front of the wrist tends to push in and actually add pressure to the carpal tunnel rather than relieving pressure like we'd like. So having thought about the shortcomings of the standard wrist brace for many years, is that I developed the Freehand wrist brace. And it's so called because on the hand there's just one loop of soft rubber that crosses around the base of the middle finger, and then the palm is completely uncovered. There's no pressure in the first web, there's no pressure on the carpal canal, but that the tubing on the back of the hand connected to the Velcro straps on the forearm does keep the patient from curling up and pinching the nerve. So it's easily washed. A glove can easily be put on it if one is washing dishes or if one works as a dental hygienist. And there's no pressure here in the first web, so it's not irritated. There's no pressure over the carpal tunnel. And then another feature, because of the adjustability of the straps, is that one size will fit both left and right hands, and then hands of all different sizes, as well as forearms of all different shapes. The Freehand wrist brace.